Hey, eighth grade. So today we're working on our second slide. You should have already typed up the titles for all 7 of your slides. And today we're working on slide number 2, which is what is a wave? Now, for this, you need to be really careful when you're defining your wave because we're not just talking about the disturbance on the surface of a liquid body, like an ocean wave. And we're not talking about a motion with your hands. We're talking about a wave of energy. And so when you're looking for definitions, you want to find something that makes sense to you, but also talking about energy. So I found a really great one. And I liked this definition of a wave, chemistry dictionary. And so I'm going to go to this site and copy it. And I also want this second paragraph too. So I'll copy that. Inside my presentation, I want to make sure that I start with quotation marks because these are not my words. I'm borrowing them from somebody else. And I'll paste that in there. And then I want to make sure that I close my quotation marks. And this is my very first website. This is my very first source. So to cite my source, I'm going to do Shift 9 and get parentheses. I'm going to use a number 1 because it's my first source. And then I'm going to do Shift 0. I'm going to highlight my quotation marks. And I'm going to use the format painter over here. And I'm going to format the whole quote so that people can see it. And I'm going to save a little bit of space by combining these together. Now, before I move on to anything else, I want to go to my works cited section, add a number 1 so that it matches my second slide. And I need to come in here and copy and paste this web address. Now, the last thing I need to do for this slide is to add a picture. So I'm going to come and shorten my text box so I have this big space over here for a picture. And actually looking at the website where I got my definition from, I really like this image. So I'm going to copy this image and I'm going to paste it in here. And then because I'm using the same source, when I add my text box to cite my picture, I have my regular retrieved from. But now I can just go back and I can use the same web address that I used for my definition because I got the picture from the site too. And that's it. Now I'm done. So if you have something like this, then you're ready to go. Thanks for watching.